LAHappy Robot Vacuum Cleaner Super Thin, 1500 Pascal suction, boundary strips included, quiet, self-charging robotic vacuum and mop cleaner, cleans hard floors to medium pile carpets black. Ultra-thin design, 8 cm ultra-thin robotic vacuum cleaner, powerful 1500 PA suction, can easily suck pets, human hair and fine dust from hardwood floor to medium wool carpet, automatically recognize the carpet and switch to maximum suction. Cleaning mode, app remote controlled, voice prompt, 3-in-1, washing and sweeping, and 4 cleaning modes, auto, edge, fixed point, gyroscope visual navigation, triple filter, pre-cleaning filter sponge high efficiency filter, side brush, strong suction force to ensure thorough cleaning. Anti-collision sensor with 360 degrees intelligent anti-collision sensor and anti-drip technology, you can easily climb up to a 15-degree slope for cleaning. The general-purpose power wheel avoids falling stairs and obstacles 2 cm above the obstacle. Provide protective furniture, smart ultra-thin robotic vacuum cleaner, quiet, under 45 decibels, thorough cleaning. Auto charging, the robot cleaner has a built-in rechargeable battery, which automatically recharges when the power is less than 20% and enjoys the happy time brought to your family and children by high technology. After-sales service, we attach great importance to customers' after-sales service. If you encounter problems during the purchase process, please contact us, and we will definitely give you the most satisfactory answer. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.